132 by 33 kV GSSP Blue Tong. The substation is located at 40 km distance from Tong in the state of Rajasthan.
In our substation, we receive 132 kV line from 132 kV Malpura GSS. We transmit 33 kV line along with two feeders, Banwada feeder and Piplu feeder. We use 25 MVA power transformer for step down the voltage level from 132 kV to 33 kV. We uses various type of equipments for protection purpose such as lightning arrestor, CVT, CT, circuit breaker and relay. This is our reception area which located in control building. Control. It is a major area of our substation. In substation, control room play major role for controlling and monitoring of switchyard. In control room, we use various type of panels such as RTCC panel, PLCC panel, SAS and control and relay panel. All panels are controlling and monitoring through SCADA system.
Battery bank. We have two units of 220 and 48 volt battery which is used for as a backup protection.
Store room. We placed here our tools and PPEs in maintenance. We schedule the maintenance plan in every month and followed according to the schedule. In our maintenance activity, we ensure that our system and equipment are in healthy condition. If we get any unhealthy condition, we clear it with the help of our maintenance team. Also, we conduct safety meeting in every week on various topics of safety. IMS policy. For management of such a comprehensive electrical system, we have prepared well-defined integrated management policy and procedures which are at the core of our substation. Subsequently, the substation is certified 5 IMS standards. LSSR. In addition to the policies, life-saving safety rules are also a key aspect of working culture at our substation. All the LSSRs for permit related to the work, lockout and tagout, work at height, hot work, confined space and road safety, etc. are strictly followed by the employee at our substation. GSA. Procedure like job safety analysis, toolbox talk are integral part of permit to work procedure. In while still of such procedure are not acceptable to at any cost. PPEs. All LSSRs are supported by using mandatory PPEs such as safety helmet, safety shoes, safety gloves, reflective jacket, eyeglasses. All employees are made aware of importance of using mandatory PPEs. The visitor are also informed about do's and don'ts by conducting the brief safety induction. While entering the substation premises, you should follow do's and don'ts such as please take permission from authorized person and ensure to take valid gate pass. You should also use all mandatory PPEs. You are also advised to follow area specific do's and don'ts. Our escort will always be with you during your visit to the substation. In any emergency situation, we have prepared a well-defined communication matrix for interaction with various administration agencies. Also, the contact number are printed at notice area at our substation. In case of any emergency situation, the first responder will raise an alarm and also alert everyone nearby and inform to the control room. The emergency shall be announced by the control room operator, and after declaration of emergency, you have to approach to the nearest assembly point.